The Dow Jones Industrial Average falling 45 points today to close out the week of trading. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. And you know, all this week it has been about Greece's debt issues, and we closed out the week on a little bit of a down note with this new concern about China. Peter Bookvar of Miller Tabak really kind of put it best. He says, you know, we put out one fire this week with Greece, and then China flaring up again, and because of that, we saw stocks, commodities, and the euro falling as China seems to be cooling off their economy after they ordered that banks must set aside more deposits as reserves for the second time in a month. In addition to that, data showed that Europe's economic recovery almost stalling out. GDP for the fourth quarter in the euro region increasing only 0.1%, and that was 1/3 the rate that economists had forecast in a Bloomberg survey. And at one point, the euro touching a 9-month low versus the dollar. And you can see how that affected stocks in Friday's session here in the U.S. Industrials lower, in fact, dragging down the S&P on ideas that maybe the world economies will be slowing down. Boeing, United Technologies, GE leading the Dow lower, and Bank of America also recommending selling shares of 3M. 3M also another drag on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But here in the U.S., retail sales rising more than forecast in January for the third time in 4 months, and money managers say, you know, right now it is all about the international markets and concerned that China may be overdoing it to cool down their economy. And all week, investors have been saying, here in the U.S., we have been getting some decent economic reports, but investors are just really looking abroad right now. And taking a look at the markets for the week, stocks getting a lift on Tuesday and Thursday, and that really kind of helping us out for the week, even though we closed out Friday's session lower with the Dow and the S&P. The Dow Jones Industrial Average 0.85% for the week, the S&P just shy of a 1% gain for the week, and the NASDAQ gaining almost 2% for the week. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the NYSE.